we have what we call decimal power and base. All right, decimal power and base. Sometimes the power or base of an expression may be in decimal form. Okay, if it is in decimal form, convert such decimal to fraction. You have to convert it to fraction before solving. The final answer may be converted to decimal. Now, look at this now. If you have this kind of problem, how do you solve it? Evaluate, this decimal 0.008 raised to the power 1 over 3. Okay, how do you evaluate all of these decimal? Let's go one after the other. All you need to do, change this decimal to fraction. Then by the time you are done, you can change the answer back to decimal. Now, by the time you have this, if you are changing this decimal to fraction, it's the same thing as 8 over 1000. Why is it 8 over 1000? This is how we change it. Under this point, you have it as your 1. The remaining value is you count as 0, 1, 2, 3. So the remaining value is 1, 2, 3, which is 0. So we have 8 over 1000 will give you back 0.008. So all of them raised to the power of 1 over 3. What it means is that this is cube root of all of these things. Cube root of 1 over 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 1000 is 10. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 10 is 5. So 1 divided by 5 will give us 0.2. So back to bed. You see, the answer is in fraction, but we take it back to decimal again. So 0.008 raised to the power 1 over 3 will give us 0.2. Alright, so we have 0.25 all raised to the power minus 2. 0.25 is the same thing as 25 over 100. Why? Because the point here is we want to use this value 25. So we have 1. Under the point is 1. The remaining value after the point is 2 digits. So that 2 digits is 0. So 1, 0, 0. So 25 all over 100 will still give you back this decimal. So square root, we are going to find the square root. But before we find the square root, remember this negative here means 1 all over. And that 1 all over will give us the reciprocal or inverse multiplication here. So we discover that it will affect a fraction that the denominator will go up and then the numerator will come down. Look at what happened here. That's what happened. It inverted the reciprocal of it. So now what you are going to have now is squared. Rather, after you remove this minus, the minus have changed the position of the values. So the remaining thing now is a square. 100 square all over 25 squared. But before then, 100 divided by 25 is 4. So 4 squared is 16. So by the time you find the square, this thing, 0.25 raised to the power minus 2, it will give us 16. So we have 32 raised to the power of a decimal, raised to the power of 0.2. So of course, you can change the decimal always to fraction. This is 32 raised to the power 2 over 10. 2 over 10 will give you 0.2. 2 over 10 will give you, press your calculator and see it will give you. And I've told you how to convert. Under the point is 1. After the point, we only have 1 digit. So that 1 digit will tell you the next, the number of zeros that will be there. So it's only 1 0. Alright, so this is going to be equals to 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 10 is 5. So 2 into 2 is what? This one. 2 into 10 is 5. So this is the same thing as this. So therefore, we have the cube root of 32. So, sorry, fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32 is 2.